have to have a funny stance for this. Because I have to be almost upside down. With this elm, the grain direction is yes. You know, usually it's one direction, it's just yes.
Yes.
So you have to like make a diggy scoop. Like you have to, when you're you have to hit and dig up, which when you're leaning down, like, I don't know, what is that, 40 degrees?
Yeah, 40, 45.
It's pretty, and you also want to go against the grain, which is not really, that makes it even more complicated, or diagonal. So, and we might pick an end up with the tractor or something, unless I can. See there, I hit a runner. You have to really dig to break. Oh, that was good. To break these chips. Otherwise, they get tear up. See, that's gonna be. I'm gonna have to switch now.
And this is why we wear closed-toed shoes.
Where is? Now I have to. For this side, I could stand maybe here, but it sort of needs to be. It's sort of not the right angle.